Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to share with you how to make someone subtitle editor for your YouTube channel. Okay, so maybe you uploaded YouTube videos or you want to add a subtitle, but you need to hire someone to edit your subtitle so you can access them. So how can you do this thing? Just watch the video till the end, then you will learn how to do this. So you can see I'm opening the Google Chrome. You can go any browser you want, then go to youtube.com, and you can see it's your YouTube homepage. So what you need to do, you need to click here profile icon right top corner on your screen. Simply click on that, and after that click here view your channel, and then click here customize channel, this one. Simply click on that. So after that you'll get here a little bit, scroll down there, you can see option settings. Simply click on settings, and you can see permission. Click permission and click invite. So you have to give the valid email. Okay, just I'm typing randomly gmail.com, and access. You can see the option subtitle editor, can add, edit and remove subtitle, can't view anything else. So this user, like when you make someone subtitle editor, and that person only can add, edit and remove subtitle, nothing else. So simply choose them and click done. Okay, so pending invitation, this user will get your this email. Once that person click on your email a link, then it will be approved. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. So today's no more, and thank you for watching.